children. How are you? Now we see our chapter number 4. Once I saw a little bird. So everyone has to take out your ESCW because we are writing in the CW. Your write in the CW. Take out. Everyone has to bring. Right. Now we see the fill in the blanks. Right? Fill in the blanks. That means you have to fill the blanks. First number, you must stop talking in the class. Yes or no? Everyone has to stop talking in the class when the teacher teaches something. Then you have to keep mum, right? Stop the talking. Answer is stop. Now second number, the elephant has a short tail. Which type of the tail of the elephant? Elephant has the big trunk, right? Big teeth, but the tail is short. So this is the elephant has a short tail, right? Now Jack and Jill went up the hill. You already learned in the senior KG, junior KG. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown. So where the Jack and Jill went? Jack and Jill went up the hill. Right? Now look at the little bird. The boy said, look, this is the bird. The bird is flying. Right? So look, matlab dekho. Look at the little bird. Now 5 number. Do you pray in the morning? क्या आप मॉर्निंग के अंदर प्रे करते हो? Yes, every day we have, when we get up, then we clean the body, we clean the teeth, then after we take a bath, and we have to firstly pray to the God. Then after we take the snack and everything, right? It is the good habit, so we have to pray to the God. Do you pray in the morning? Yes, you have to pray. That means here the answer is the pray. Now 6 number, stop says the red light. In my next video I explain all the rules of the traffic signal, how to go, in which side you have to walk, and when you saw the red light then you have to stop your vehicle. Everything I explain in my next video. So here is stop says the red light. In traffic signal you see the traffic signal. Where you see the traffic signal? Traffic light. In big city, in our Halol, it is not possible, but in big cities like Vadodara, Godhra, Ahmedabad, we have the traffic signal in the junction of the road. जहाँ चार रास्ता मिलते हैं ना, उसको junction बोलते हैं. Junction of the road, we see the traffic signal, and when the red light says stop, when red light is open, then you have to stop your vehicles, right? Go says the green light, and when the green light is in the traffic signal, you have to move your vehicles, right? Wait says the yellow light, and if yellow light shows in the traffic signal, then you have to wait for some time. We can't go, otherwise we have the in fault. So we have to wait sometimes, we have to get ready your vehicle, kick out and everything. You have to just open your vehicle, not have to move, right? This is our fill in the blanks. Okay, we will meet in next video. Thank you.